Today, I'm breaking down the very basics of tummy time, what it is, why you should do it, and some tips for success. Hey there, and congratulations on your little one or your soon-to-be little one. Today we're going to talk all about tummy time. It is such a popular topic, and so many new parents have a lot of great questions surrounding the topic. So from the top, what is tummy time? Tummy time refers to any time that your little one is spending on his or her stomach while he or she is awake and being supervised by a caregiver. Many parents want to know, when is it safe to begin tummy time? And the answer is, as long as your baby was born full term and without any medical complications or concerns, you can start tummy time from day one. I know that's surprising for a lot of parents, but this is a great activity that's going to start facilitating their overall development from the very beginning moments of their life. So tummy time can be kept very simple, especially in the early days. Most newborns are only going to tolerate tummy time for about 1 to 3 minutes at a time. And in terms of the frequency, start with 2 to 3 sessions a day. Now, the important thing is that as your baby continues to grow, you are able to increase the frequency and the duration of each tummy time session. Now let's chat about the benefits, because there are so many great benefits from putting your kiddo in tummy time. One, it's going to help strengthen their necks, their backs, and their shoulder muscles, which is going to gear them up for really important tasks down the line, such as rolling, such as sitting up, eventually walking, and becoming independent feeders. Another great benefit is that it's a beautiful way to engage in play that's going to facilitate bonding and social emotional development. Another really cool benefit that most parents might not be aware of is it's actually going to facilitate your little one's visual development. When our kiddos spend time on their backs and they're looking up, they are working on focusing on objects that are further away. But when they're on their stomach and they're lifting their head, they're having to use their eyes together to focus on items that are much, much closer to their face. All right, now I want to share a few tips for success. That way you and your little one get off to the best tummy time start possible. So the first tip for success is consider including high contrast colors in your play, either in black and white card sets or some other black and white infant toys to help grab your little one's attention while in tummy time. This visual stimulation is going to help motivate your kiddo to continue to engage in their tummy time sessions. The second tip for success is to get down on their level. They're going to be much more motivated by seeing your face or hearing your voice, and this can help prolong the duration in which your little one is tolerating tummy time. The final tip for success I want to share with you guys is to consider using skin to skin as a sort of reset button when things fall apart. Now, some babies do not tolerate tummy time that well, or maybe your kiddo can only tolerate tummy time for a short amount of time. If you feel like your little one's becoming upset, you can pick them up, put them on your chest, skin to skin. This is like a neurological reset button for your kiddo. It helps to remind them that they are safe, they are loved, and everything is good. Also, it's going to help bring them back to the calm alert state, which is the best state for your kiddo in terms of learning, in terms of being able to engage in play. So do not be afraid to pick your little one up, give them a break, place them skin to skin to help them calm down before you try again. All right, you guys, I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.